Ghusl is a part of Hajj. It is a ritual bath which those who are not in pilgrimage will do as a sunnah, for example, on the day of Eid or on Jum'ah. And for those who are obliged to take the ghusl, they take the ghusl after major ritual impurity, like that which is consequent to um, husband and wife making love, or a woman's menses ending, or the like. The ritual baths or the ghusl in Hajj are first the one that immediately precedes ihram. This bath has no restrictions on it, and in fact, a person is recommended to groom as thoroughly as they're able to, because it may be the last time they get the chance to do so for some time. The second and the third ritual bath, ghusl of Hajj, one is before entering into Makkah Mukarramah. This one will be affected for those who have a hotel by taking a bath in your hotel before entering into the Masjid al Haram. And the third is before high noon on the day of Arafat, the standing of Arafat. And this is difficult for people to do, but if a person wishes to, they can affect it by filling a bottle of, like a liter or 2 liter bottle, with water, and bathing themselves in the places of washing in Arafat, if they can find such a place that they can do so cleanly and privately. The difference between the first of these three baths, which is the one before Ihram, and the second and third, which is the one for entering Makkah Mukarramah and the one on the day of Arafat, is that the latter two, a person will be in Ihram. So the ghusl for those two is affected by pouring water over one's body. And a person should be careful not to run their fingers through their hair or through their beard, lest they pull a hair out and violate their ihram. As for the use of unscented soap, it is permissible, although preferable not to use. Other care products are not permissible in ihram. And a person, rather than spending a lot of time and money trying to procure some sort of organic, non-scented soap, they should know that the point of ihram is to be in a disheveled state, heedless of the world, and in full concentration on the Lord, so that the Lord may take pity on your state. So instead of focusing on unscented this and unscented that, and wipes and soap and this and that, um, think about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and don't preoccupy yourself with those things more than is absolutely necessary.